Hello, today I'm inside Leon. In this video I'll show you how to change view of instrument cluster. In the beginning, press view button, and here you can change view of the main screen between map, assistant, simple instrument cluster, classic instrument cluster, and sport instrument cluster. In this view you can check assistant menu, map, and in this view you can find digital speedometer, trip info, road signs, and you can go to settings. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.